Every realistic horse painting begins with a simple sketch. But what transforms those pencil lines into a lifelike portrait isn't talent alone. It's understanding light, values, and patience. Notice that the artist doesn't begin with pure white. Instead, he carefully builds soft gray values that will later make the brightest highlights stand out naturally. Painting realistic fur isn't about adding thousands of tiny hairs. It's about creating smooth transitions between light and shadow before the final details are added. How each new layer adds more depth to the horse's face. Every brushstroke has a purpose, gradually bringing volume and realism to the painting. If you're enjoying this demonstration and want to learn more professional oil painting techniques, consider subscribing to Learn Oil Painting. New demonstrations are published regularly. This beautiful white Lusitano horse is now complete. This demonstration features Brazilian artist Elton Brunetti. If you'd like to learn the complete process, step by step, you'll find the full course linked in the description below.